And there's a doctor who wrote a book. It's called Power versus Force. I think it's one of the coolest books ever. He talks about shame being the lowest level energy that can be in a nervous system. That's what we're dealing with. Shame is I'm bad. So I like to tell people all you have to do is raise your energy a little and it raises it to guilt, which don't get me wrong. I don't want you feeling guilty, but
Yeah,
guilt.
but the question that I like to give you before we kind of wrap up here is picture a transformer, maybe a vet, a dad, a leader who's burned out and stuck in a secret struggle. What's one scripture or faith practice that you would recommend that they pair with your brain hats to lift them up?
Yeah, this is great because I just visited my brother-in-law over the weekend, and he and my husband were in a deep conversation about Saint Tom, about not Saint, but Thomas Aquinas, um,
Yeah.
and his Summa Theologica. So basically, this, uh, as they were discussing it, I'm like, this is what I share with people that I encourage them to do. And to put it into a very simplified practice, I think if you don't have a solid morning routine that
Hmm.
includes, not only meditation time, but also reading works that feed your soul and reconnect you every single day. Because if you then go into the world, it threatens to disconnect you from that
Yeah.
divine connection and that purpose that you set out. And especially if you're engaging with social media, think about this, if you're following people, we call them influencers. Like, let's make sure the people who you're following are influencing you in the direction that you want to go.
Yes.
Because if not, you're following somebody who is influencing you in the opposite direction of your
Hmm.
goals. When you start with a solid morning routine, it anchors you into that. Like every morning I get up, I don't miss it. Like literally the house can be burning down. I'm not going to miss this morning routine because I know my ability to deal with the house burning down depends on it. Is
Yes.
you remind yourself it's how do I serve? Like whatever happens today, help me show up for it. Who needs to hear from me? Use all of that from inside and don't let the world derail you, especially social media and explicit matter.
Wow. Dr. Lane, if we took everything you said on today's episode and we threw it in the cave, we'd create diamonds.